Hello moms, good afternoon. Today we are going to discuss about some cloth diaper. Nowadays we are getting many queries about cloth diaper, how to use that, and is it actually economically good with compared to the other ready-made diapers. So I'm going to show you the cloth diaper that I use for my 9th-month old daughter, and I have been using this since she was 4 months old. Okay, so this one is Super Bottoms basic diaper that I use for her on everyday basis. Actually there are different types of Super Bottoms diaper, like Super Bottoms basic and Super Bottoms Uno. This basic is claimed to absorb for 4 to 5 hours, and the Uno is long lasting, which can absorb for 8 to 9 hours. Okay, now this Super Bottoms basic has two parts. One is known as the pocket diaper, which is this one. The colorful part is the pocket diaper. It is known as pocket diaper because in this you can see here is a pocket formed, inside which you can put the insert. This one is the insert part. You can see this is a very thick layered cotton which is made up of terra cotton. This has almost 8 layers of terra cotton, so this is the main thing which can absorb the water inside it. It has 3 buttons which can change the length. So here is the point which can be put inside this to make different lengths for this one. So this will be made this much length, which is the shortest length, and for longer length you can use the next hole. So you can use it like this, which will make it this much. This is like the medium length, and if you don't want to fold it at all, so this will give you 1 inch longer than the previous setting. So these are the settings for the insert, and here is one button which can be fit here like this after putting it inside the pocket. So this will prevent the insert from sliding when the babies are playing or something. So there is almost 0% of leakage happening. Now we are going to discuss about the sizes that you can make for this. There are 2 sizes available for these diapers. One is the newborn size, which can be applicable for 0 months to 3 months, means like from newborn to up to 5 kg or 6 kg, and this can be applicable from 5 kg to 17 kg. So they claim that it can be applicable for 3 years old babies also. I'll show you how it can be sized using these buttons. So these buttons are there which can be made either longer or shorter, or wider or thinner. So babies who have a very thin structure, for them you can use the diaper like this. Just follow this. You'll have to fold it like this, and here are the buttons that you can put at the middle and just press it. These are the pressed fit buttons, so you can just close it like this. So I am going to show you for the smallest size and the largest size possible. After you close it like this, here are one extra button which you can attach it here, so that there will be no discomfort for the baby by folding it inside. So this is the shortest size that is applicable, okay, or that can be achieved by using the buttons. And here is the stretchable elastic, so which can give a little more play for the baby's waist. Now I am going to show you the widest arrangement using the buttons. So you can press fit the buttons at the extreme button, at the extreme end buttons, which will give you the widest possible size. So this will give you a large room for the bigger babies, like for 3 years to fit in. Okay, now this was the wider part that I showed. Now I am going to show you how you can decrease in the length. Here are the buttons where you can fit it here at the extreme bottom part, which will decrease the length of the diaper, which will make it like this. So when you just fold it, it will reduce its size to this much for smaller babies. And as the babies will grow in height, they will need extra room. So at that time you can use this to the highest most possible part, which will increase the room for the babies. So at this condition, this will increase up to this much size, which will make enough room for the babies. Now finally I am going to show you how to put the insert inside for usage. Just take this like in your hand, where the single button will be upwards. Make it reverse, where this will be fitting at the bottom side. So it should be flipped upside down. And now you'll have to just take it like this, put it gently so that the stitches are not harmed. Once you just put it, you can hold it with hand, stretch it, fit it completely inside. Now this has been completely fitting properly, and finally you are just going to close the buttons. So here is the button, here is the button, so you can just press fit that. So this will prevent the insert from coming out. Just see, I am trying to take it out, but it is not coming out. So when the babies are playing or running, so this button will be preventing the diaper or the insert from folding or getting out. So after you close everything, it will give you a good support. It will give the good support for the babies, which will not be leaking at all. So after 4 to 5 hours, it will start leaking. At that time, you'll have to just wash it. You'll have to take the insert out, keep it under running water, and keep on squeezing until all the smell or the urine goes out. And if there is potty or poop on the fleece cover, you'll have to wash it with soap until the color goes. And sometimes after 1 or 2 months of usage, this insert can get a bit yellowish in color. So this can be soaked in diluted bleach water for half an hour, and then just rinse it under clear water until the bleach smell goes. Another point to say, this inside cover is made up of fleece, which is like soft microfiber. So that gives a dry feeling for the baby. So they will not feel it wet, or it will not give any irritation, and it is very soft. So it will not cause any irritation or allergy to the babies. So that's all for the Super Bottoms Basic. I hope you will like it. Thank you.